I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of SPEED to Dr. Archit Garg for scoring a top class rank of 376 in MCH Surgical Group in NEET SS session 2023. Congratulations and best wishes to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Doctor, can we know a brief background of yours when you started, where you started, and till date what all you have accomplished?
Sir, I belong to a small town of Mathura from Uttar Pradesh. I did my primary schooling there. After that, I did my undergraduation from Hindurao Hospital. We were the founder batch. And then I did my post-graduation from Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, New Delhi. After that, sir, I gave my first attempt for NEET SS. That was almost without any preparation. So I scored a rank of 2,300 last year in NEET 2022. And then that was the time I decided that I'll give it another shot. So I took a break of 1 year and I joined senior residency, side by side preparing for NEET SS. So sir, then I gave it this time and I got a rank of 376.
So 2,300 minus 300.
Yes, sir.
No, minus 2,000, I'm sorry.
Yes, sir.
Good. So what all you did for the migration from 2,300 to 300?
Sir, last year when I got a rank of 2,300, my choice was urology. But I knew at that rank I wouldn't get a good seat or a good college. So, and I was seeing some of my friends giving interviews to you.
To me.
And yes, sir, yes. And then I was thinking, okay, it has got to be me there next year. So I exactly, sir, I remember the date. It was September 19th. I messaged the speed team to let me know what all the programs. I joined it. I heard your first video. You said no key, do the basic general surgery, then the Bailey based videos, and then the. So during the residency only, I started watching all the videos, and all grand tests were already loaded. So I set in mind that every week I have to give one grand test. So from July only, I started giving grand test, having done my basic and these videos, Bailey-based videos. And I remember I texted you that, sir, what to do? Now I don't feel like doing Savastan-based videos. So actually, I was not expecting a reply from you. You are so busy, but I was fortunate to get a reply, and you told me that as we are doing the daily classes of Bailey, you revise it side by side. So that is I did it. By the end, 1 month before my exam, I completed the Savastan-based videos. During the last 1 month, I revised and gave the test. And last week before, I only revised the test and did 2 grand tests, which was image-based, and another one was table-based. So that is what I did.
So now what is that? What specialty now you wanted to do now?
Sir, I want to do urology.
Urology. So that has not changed. That remains the same.
Yes, sir, yes.
Okay. So very good, very nice. How many questions did you attend?
Sir, I attempted 145 questions.
Okay, good. So attended maximum number. I'm very happy for it. And so what is the message?
That is what I was told by everyone, that if you have to be in top 500, or if you want to get your choice, I made it in my mind that I was giving my last attempt. It's either I'm doing it this time or it's gone forever.
Now or never?
So now or never. It was like that for me. So I thought that I'll attempt the maximum. And from all the people I talked, all of last year I attempted 135 questions. So I knew that was my mistake. So because it is 1/4 negative marking, and by probability, if you mark more, you'll score more. If even 2 or 3 of my answers from 6 answers are correct, then I would be in positive only. So I thought of that, and all my friends and everyone I talked to, they said attempt the maximum you can and just leave the questions which you are absolutely clueless about. So I left the questions which I did not know at all, and all the questions I could rule out 2 options, I marked them.
Okay. So, time to thank whom all you want to thank at this point of time. You can do so who have helped your career to
Lot
grow.
of people to thank, sir.
You can.
Sir, first of all, I would like to thank my parents. They were far away from me, but still motivated me through their phone calls. I would like to thank my wife, Dr. Aishwarya, for being a constant support. And sir, I would like to thank all my friends who were there during me through this journey. Uh, some of them got selected, some of them with preparing with me, and all of them have got good ranks this year. And all of us together are now sailing in same boat. And I would also like to thank the teachers of my alma mater for giving me advice whenever I needed. And lastly and most importantly, I would like to thank the speed team for answering my queries whenever I was in doubt. By you as for the medical part, and to the team also, because sometimes I had problem loading the app or something. So I just texted the team, and the reply was very prominent, very fast.
After service, after sales service, there is something called. You have to be always. There is always there's a saying that it is not one time. You have to travel along with the journey. I mean, you have to be hand-holded from this point to this point. And once now you are in urology, right? Now you go to the urology. Then the journey loop gets completed. From on board, then you get a good rank. Then next we will have a counseling. Say which college or option for this rank, where are the probabilities, where you can choose. So that will happen next week. So based on that, you have an idea also. So where all I can choose, and based on that, you go and join. So, and the responsibility ends at that point of time. So that's how the team has been educated and has been cultured, so that you should attend at any point of time.
I remember, so you used to say that I am providing with you with all the material I can. It's on you to utilize that material and study. So I thought we have to give our best anyhow. So that is what I did this time.
Very true, and very happy for you. And once again, I wish you all the very best and all the success. To have a great career ahead in urology as an MCH urologist. Definitely the brand of MCH urology on your name. And it's a great field, and wish you all the best to be a successful urologist in years to come. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
sir.